Let me now move to what I'd like to show you guys, which is the Teams integration. So some of you might have jumped in this rather new tool in the Microsoft Learning portfolio. As you know, it's not just to manage your classroom, but also to integrate your Skype in the classroom conversations, and you can even integrate your notebooks. We unfortunately will not have time to run through all of these awesome features, but we'll share some basics. So what I want to share with you right now is that I have just I have made a quick conversation, Lifeliqe plus Microsoft webinar, and I have started a lesson about the water cycle and some harmful impacts of water pollution. So first I have included the Lifeliqe 3D model to have my students explain how the water cycle works, and then I have made my students learn more about water pollution. So I have simply shared a link to the lesson plan in Lifeliqe about the water pollution. And what I'll do now is that I'll show you how you can, thanks to this integration, share the 3D model right in the conversation in Teams and actually browse through the Lifeliqe's content right in Teams without leaving the Teams app and the Teams interface. Before I do so, I think you deserve to see how you can actually get this Lifeliqe integration in your Teams. So watch carefully. It's very simple. So here in the left corner down here, you've got the store. And in store, you can search for different add-ins and integrations in your Teams. Well, as you can guess, you just need to type Lifeliqe in there. It tells you what's inside. I've got it installed, so we don't need to go through the process right now. It's basically a few click and just few seconds long process. So yeah, let me get back to my Teams and to my conversation, and now I'll show you how I can browse the Lifeliqe content right within Teams. So thanks to the integration, thanks to the add-in I have added, I can now see this little button saying Lifeliqe. And within this search button, I can easily add models there. So I want to explore or have students explore great white shark anatomy. And yeah, there we go. So we'll include this in here, and I want my students, which is you at this point, explore explore the anatomy of great white shark and explain how water pollution can harm its crucial organ, liver. As we know, liver is super important for a shark. Shark has a huge liver, and unfortunately, water pollution can have can cause a lot of damage to these awesome predators out there in the sea. All right, so we're combining different types of content together in this learning scenario, and now as I have included the 3D model right inside my Teams, I can open the model in the web app or in the Windows 10 app. Some of you, as I mentioned, have been still using the the Windows 10 app. You've got an option to open the 3D model, or you can open the AR right away.